Today I will start with the chapter 3, Roman numerals. Children, in my previous video I have explained you all that how to write Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now in this video I will explain you about how to write Hindu-Arabic numerals in Roman numerals. Before I begin with this topic, let me explain you what are Hindu-Arabic numerals. See children, we use 10 numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 to represent numbers. We use all these numerals to write the numbers, and this method was started in India. Later it was spread around the world by the Arabs. So these numerals are often called the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Children, here I have given you a list of some Hindu-Arabic numerals with their Roman numerals. This is 1. 1 is written as I. 2. 2 is written as I. 3. 3 is written as I. Now, how to write 4? As we all know that no symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. So, we have written 4 as 5 minus 1, that is IV. 5 is written as V, this is 6, this is 7, 8, 9 and this is 10. Here again I have given you some more Hindu-Arabic numbers and Roman numerals. 10 is written as X, 20 is written as XX, 30 is written as XXX. Now children, again how to write 40? Can we write 4 times X? No. So how to write 40? L is 50 and 50 minus 10 is 40. So we have written in this way XL. So 40 is written as XL. Then this is 50, this is 60, this is 70, 50 plus 10 plus 10, 70, 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 80. Now again, can we write 4 times X here to make 90? No. So how to write 90? That is 100 minus X. As we know, the value of C is 100 and 100 minus 10 is 90. So XC, then the value of C is 100. So 100 is written as C. Now children, I will tell you how to change Hindu-Arabic numeral into Roman numeral. So for changing this, you have to have the knowledge of these Hindu-Arabic numbers, how to write these Hindu-Arabic numbers into Roman numerals and this. If you know these two, if you know all these numbers, how to write in Roman numerals, then it will become very easy for you to write in Roman numeral. Let's see how. See, suppose this is 27. So first we will separate these digits in tens and ones, like 2 is tens, so 2 tens plus 7 ones. Now we will see what is the symbol for 2. 2 is written as XX, 20. How to write 20? 20 is written as XX here. So we have written XX. Then how to write 7? What is the symbol for 7? VII. XX and VII. We will write together these symbols to make 27, like XXVII. Is that clear to you? Now next example is 52. Again we will separate this in tens and ones. In other words you can say, children, we can write this in expanded form. 50 plus 2. So what is the symbol for 50? 50 is written as L and 2 is written as II. So L and II. We have written here together LII. That is the symbol for 52. Next example is 69. Again we will write this in expanded form. 60 plus 9 equals to, how to write 60 in Roman numeral? LX. So we will write LX, and how to write 9? You can see 9, IX, LX and IX. We will write it together LXIX to make the Roman numeral for 69. Last example is 95. Again we will write this in expanded form first. Then what is the symbol for 90? Here you can see this is XC. Write XC here, and what is the symbol for 5? You can see 5 is written as V. XC and V we will write here together to form the Roman numeral for 95. So this is the Roman numeral for 95. This is the way, children, you have to do. I hope you have understood till here. Now I have given you here one exercise for you all, which you have to do in your fair notebook. Write the following Hindu-Arabic numerals in Roman numerals. Children, feel free to ask me if you have any problem. Thank you. Bye-bye.